Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and today we will be talking about the Slime Diaries. And I am really surprised because nobody is talking about Slime Diaries right now, because according to me Slime Diaries is one of the best anime that is airing this season. And I want to share 3 points which I think so makes the Slime Diaries one of the best slice of life anime that have come from any franchise so far. So let's just get started. The first point is definitely no contradiction with the main story. So the Slime Diaries is in its own world. Means that time I got reincarnated as a slime was a really likable show, and the Slime Diaries has been going on in the same world. Means there is Attack on Titan, which took a completely different approach, and I think so not so a great one, because Attack on Titan set up a new world, a new universe for its new slice of life anime. And while I personally really enjoyed that slice of life anime, there is a reason that it is not that well known and it is just in the clips of YouTube. So I think so the Slime Diaries had taken the best approach, because slice of life genre is known for its excessive comedy, its funness, its wholesomeness, and its wholeheartedness. And according to me, when I watch the Slime Diaries, then I feel these exact feelings to the point. And if you want to watch it, please go and watch it. I will highly, highly recommend the Slime Diaries. And also, that time I got reincarnated as a slime is a continuing series, means it has not came to an end. So I was really worried that if I will watch the Slime Diaries, then the that time I got reincarnated as a slime will be completely messed up for me, because they will just throw me in a new world, they will just introduce some bullshit characters, but they didn't took that approach, and I am so thankful for it. And yeah, let's get to the another point. Amazing cast of characters. That time I got reincarnated as a slime has one of the strongest cast in any anime I have seen, because we are used to seeing them in their slice of life moments in the main show. And when they made a separate show for these characters, then I was, first of all, I was worried because I thought they were not going to work out, but man, they did fantastically. There is a YouTuber named Brendan Chin who has told that there are mainly two pillars to a story. First of all is the plot, and second one is characters. He has told that when you put badass characters in a very stupid plot, then the anime can still very likely work out. But if you will put stupid characters in a badass plot, then that will definitely bound to fail. Means characters are really important in an anime, and the Slime Diaries, man oh man, the characters are good. Remuru Tempest, all goblins, Benimaru, Shion, you name it, they have wide range of personalities, they have wide range of quirks that makes them interesting, and yeah, they are overall good, they are overall badass, they are overall just amazing characters. What can I even say more? And if you are not sold on these points, then I have one another one which will bound to make you definitely watch the Slime Diaries. It is freaking wholesome. What can I even say more? Have you guys seen Horimiya? It was a anime that aired last season, means the winter 2021. And you know what? Horimiya was sold on the audience just due to its wholesomeness. And I loved Horimiya, and for the same reasons I love the Slime Diaries, because Slime Diaries is a show that can be enjoyed even without watching That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime. Those guys who dropped it just due to the fact that they need to watch the first 36 episodes of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, you don't need to. You just don't need to. Slime Diaries is a show that can be also enjoyed by the viewers of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, and the not so good viewers. And yeah, you can just put on the show and just go with the ride. It is a amazing show which I am really surprised and really disappointed that nobody is talking about. The Slime Diaries is a very good show, and it was a show that in this season I was just going to follow the Slime Diaries and Higehiro. So yeah, I think so Slime Diaries is a really good, and if you have not given it any shot, then Go give it a shot. I think so you guys will really enjoy it. And if you enjoyed this video just like I enjoyed the Slime Diaries, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.